Hello everybody, welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you for supporting us on this run up to 10,000 subscribers. You guys are the best. We have blown past 9,600 subscribers, so you know what that means. It's time for our next winner. The next winner is Victoria. Congratulations, you're going to be getting some free plants from here on the channel. If you're not a winner, don't worry, comment down below and stay tuned as we're going to have another drawing once we reach 9,800 subscribers. And then finally, our big 10,000 subscriber bonanza giveaway after that. I just want to thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you all so much for the support. I'm so excited to continue to grow with each and every one of you. We'll see you in the next video.